Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're going to do a little time traveling, just a few years into the future, to 2026. Why? Because there's a tool that is totally shaking up how we learn math. It's called MathGPT Pro, and it's basically your own personal AI math tutor. All right, let's get into it. Okay, first, I want you to picture something. I bet we've all been there, right? You're staring at a math problem. Maybe it's late at night, and your brain just stops. It doesn't matter if it's algebra or calculus or whatever. You've hit a total brick wall. That feeling? That's what we're talking about today. Well, what if you could take that exact moment of frustration and flip it, turn it into a breakthrough? That's what's happening in, the very near future of 2026. There's a totally new way to handle those tough problems, turning those brick walls into actual learning moments. And that new way, well, it's called MathGPT Pro. So let's get acquainted with this AI tutor and figure out how it's solving a problem that's, well, pretty much as old as math itself. So what is this thing really? It's easy to think, oh, it's just a fancy calculator. But no, it's so much more than that. MathGPT Pro isn't just an AI that solves problems. It's also your personal tutor. Yeah, it gives you the right answer, but the key thing is it explains why it's the right answer. It's all about building a real understanding, not just getting the homework done. Pretty amazing, right? But how does it actually do all that? Let's pop the hood and see what makes this thing tick. The whole process is just super simple. You upload your problem, bam, you get a solution instantly. But then you get to dig into the steps, and here's the best part. You can ask follow-up questions. It's not just spitting information at you, it's having a conversation. It's this complete loop that actually makes you want to learn more. And the list of features is just wild. You can literally snap a photo of your messy, handwritten notes and upload it. You get graphs and visuals that make things click. It can even figure out those super confusing word problems. But the real game changer, for me, is the interactive Q&A. It actually adapts to you, to your speed, to your questions. It really personalizes the whole experience. So how is all this even possible? Well, it's not just running on raw computing power. It's powered by some seriously advanced AI reasoning, mixed with a very specific, deep understanding of math. And that's what lets it think on its feet, It's not just pulling from a database of answers. It's engaging with the problem just like a human expert would. Okay, so you might be thinking, this is just for students trying to pass a test, right? Absolutely not. Let's talk about who's actually using this thing and the kind of impact it's having out in the real world. The range of people using this is huge. I mean, sure, you've got high school and university students. That's a given. But you've also got teachers using it to build their lesson plans. You have engineers double-checking their work, data scientists, people in finance, basically anyone who needs to be sure their math is right. And the things people are saying about it are pretty incredible. Listen to this one from a PhD student. What gets me isn't just that it solved some crazy hard problem in minutes. Is that they said the explanation was better than their professors. I mean, wow, that tells you everything you need to know about how well this AI can actually teach. And then there's this quote from a teacher, which I think really hits on something big. It's like having a tutor who is always on, 24/7, and never, ever gets tired of explaining things. Think about what that means. It just levels the playing field, giving anyone, anywhere access to top-notch help whenever they need it. And lastly, check out this one from a data analyst. For them, it's not just about learning. It's about getting work done faster and better. Those step-by-step breakdowns are, as they put it, gold. It saves them hours and gives them the confidence that their numbers are solid, which in their line of work is absolutely critical. So if you boil it all down, the benefits are huge. First, it helps get rid of that math anxiety so many of us have. Second, it actually speeds up learning because you're understanding the concepts, not just memorizing formulas. And third, for the pros out there, it's that trusted second set of eyes to make sure everything is perfect. Okay, but let's be real here. No tool is perfect, right? So to give you the whole story, we've got to talk about the flip side, the limitations. First things first, let's talk about the cost. There is a free version, which is great, but it has daily limits. If you want to go all in, unlimited problems, super detailed explanations, all the cool features, you're looking at a pro subscription, and that's going to run you somewhere between, say, $9 and $19 a month. And just a couple of other things to keep in mind. If you're working on Nobel Prize level super niche research problems, you'll probably still want a human expert to double check things. And it's an AI, so, garbage in, garbage out. The clearer the problem you give it, the better the answer you're going to get. Okay, so let's wrap this up. What's the bottom line here? What does something like MathGPT Pro actually mean for the future of how we learn? Well, for one, people absolutely love it. I mean, a 4.8 out of 5-star rating, that's huge. And it's not just a gut feeling. People are specifically calling out how accurate it is, how great the explanations are, and how much it genuinely helps them learn. And really, that's what this is all about. This isn't just another app. It marks a huge shift in how we approach learning. We're moving away from this one-size-fits-all textbook-style learning to something that's way more active and personalized, a journey where you can be curious and get answers right away. It's incredibly empowering. So it leaves us with this really big question to think about. If your tutor is an AI, what does the classroom of tomorrow even look like?